Numberblock fans, in today's video I will show you how to rebuild the number blocks from 0 to 100 part 13, or we can call 76 to 80. Alright, let's move on to the number block 76. Alright, let's go to the number block 76. Number block 76 is made of 70 light rainbow blocks and 6 indigo blocks, because 76 is made of 70 plus 6. Well, 76 is also made of 4 19s or 2 38s, which means he's a crazy shape. The 16 blocks are finished. Let's add only 60 blocks more to make 76. I made number block 76 by using 19 by 4 rectangle formation. Like this. Put the yellow and then I put the green. Alright, then I put the orange one and the blue one, like this. Well, 76, I put the red features, because I don't know why, I just, according to the number blocks span quarters, but anyways, I just put by my own creation, and according to someone. Well, 76, I built 56 blocks now. Now we need only 20 blocks to make 76. Now we have 66 blocks. Then we need 10 blocks more to make 76, because 66 plus 10 is 76. Whew, wrong. No, not like that. Like this is correct one. Wow. It's too tall, but I liked it. I like that tall sometimes. Some talls is my favorite, but some talls are not my favorite. Well, anyways, the number block 76 is finished. Let's do a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 76 is finished. Let's move on to the number block 77. Oh my god, too long. Alright, let's move on to the number block 77. Well, number block 77 is made of 70 light rainbow blocks and 7 dark rainbow blocks, because 77 is made of 70 plus 7. Well, number block 77 is also made of 7 11s, because 11s times 7 is 77. Or also can be 11 7s, because 7 11s and 11 7s are the same value, but just swap only the numbers, but the same value, right? Well, anyways, I built number block 77 by using 7 by 11 rectangle formation. He's not a super rectangle, but he's a football player. Lucky football player. Like this. We put the green on the middle. I built 77 by using 70 blocks. 70 blocks, but using 7 by 10 rectangle formation, and 7 blocks more by laying 7 blocks wide on the top. Well, he's a lucky number, but he's also the football player. Wow, so lucky football player. I think 77 is a lucky football player, which means he always wins a goal. I'm just talking without proof. But anyways, from green to violet is finished, and then we go to the yellow, orange, and red. The blocks is so many. It's so tired for doing this. Anyways, just think about building the number blocks. If I build the number block 92, I think 92 is very, very tall by using 4 by 23. Because 23 is very tall anyways. I know how to build the another shape, but I know what shape. Alright, almost finished. Oh. 6, 7, 8, 6, 9, 70, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. Wow, so many, right? Well, anyway, 77 is finished. Let's do a magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! 77 is finished. Do you think the face is too small? I think it's too small. Well, anyways, here is the number block 77, which is 7 11s or 11 7s. Let's go on to the 12th step squad is 78. Alright, let's move on to the number block 78. Number block 78 is made of 70 light rainbow blocks and 8 pink blocks. Well, 78 is the unlucky number, which is made of 6 by 6 slots of 13s or 13 slots of 6. Well, also she's the 12th member of the step squad because she can make 12 steps. She's the 12th member of step squad, including 1, 3, 6, 10, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55, 66, 78, and 91. But so on, like 105, 120. Wow, so many, right? But no time to explain, just build the number block 78. 6th step squad, step shape, which is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, put like this, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, oopsie, 33, 34, 35, 36, like this, right? And then 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, put like this, then 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Wow, so tall, right? Too many, not so tall. Too many. 56, 57, 58. Wait, no! Sorry. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Wait. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. It's a little bit longer because it's too many. But I think I don't review all of the number blocks that we made today because it's too many. Wow, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. Collect all the violet blocks. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, and 78. This is all. Here. Like this. 78 blocks. Which is very many. Well, let's put the stickers by using the magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 78 is finished, which is the 12th member of the Step Squad and 6th member of the Falling Apart Club. Let's move on to the number block 79. Right. Let's go to the number block 79. Number block 79 is made of 70 light rainbow blocks and 9 gray blocks. Well, because of the number block 79 cannot make any rectangles, so that means he's a prime number. He's the 22nd prime member. 22nd member of the prime club. Sorry. Well, I create my own number block 79 like an architect with a yellow helmet on top. But there's a notice that number block 79 is not a football player. Well, some videos in the number blocks band quarters, you see some numbers said not a football player. Do you know why? Because he is the order of the numbers which can divide it by 11s, like 64.25, which is the 55th prime quarters number. Well, 55 can divide it by 11 is 5 11s, but he's not a football player, so that's why he has a letter said not a football player. Well, anyways, for me, I don't put it on because it's a letter, so that's why I don't put it, because it's very messy for cutting the letters. Well, anyways, number block 79, I built him as by using 7 by 10 rectangle formation and 9 blocks at the side. Oh, red. Ugh. Almost done. Collect all of the reds. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Sorry, not 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, not 70. Sorry. Oopsie, sorry. I count wrong. And then we add 9 blocks more to make 79. 70. Let's count after me. Anyways, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and the last one is 79. Let's do a magic trick again by counting to three with me. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 79 is finished. You see the star like a number block 50, but put on the right one. Because I inspired from the number block span quarters. Well, anyways, number block 79 is finished. Let's go to the last one is number block 80. Right. To the last one, the last character is number block 80. Number block 80 is made of 10 8s or 8 10s. Because 10 lots of 8s or 8 lots of 10s are 80. Well, 80 has 80 light paint blocks. Well, like this. Wow, so many blocks to build. But this time there's no confuse like 70. Because 70 has 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. For this time, the 80 has only one color, is pink, light pink. From the go to 90 has 3 colors, that which just made me confused again, but not confused like 70, or not really difficult to build like 70, because 70 has 7 colors and 90 has 3 colors, but only 80 has 1 color, like number block 8 is pink. Anyways, number block 80 is finished, but we do a magic trick again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 80 is finished, but this face is too small because I don't want to waste the stickers. Anyway, number block 80 is finished. Well, this is the end of this video. Which character do you like the most? 76, 77, 78, 79, or 80? Leave the comments. Well, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye bye.